Well guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be reviewing on this user known as Mead1992. If you guys don't know who she is, she's a user that harasses people to get people to unblock her, and she is on Toronto's Deviant's wicked website. And now we're going to be reviewing on her what she does. So, to be honest with you, she has done a lot of bad stuff to me and my friends. So, I have the stats pulled up for you guys to read, and she is complaining that Kofi has blocked her permanently. Okay, we get it, you want her to block you, but Kofi told you so many times not to leave Serbia alone, but you didn't listen to her. So now, please leave Kofi alone, Edmund, okay? I am dead serious right now, I'm dead serious. Anyways, let's get back. And now, we have... She complained about she wants to be added, and she wanted added to be talented weakest website. And I said, absolutely not, a-hole. You have a respect for Kofi and my other friends. You need to realize you can't be added. And then she says, I want you to go tell Serby, Janet, and Caroline, and ask them to block me. Go! And I said, no! I'm friends with Serby and Janet. And I will ask you nicely to leave them alone. I want to enjoy my last day vacation, so don't ruin it. Don't even think about noting me. And then she said, no way, I will serve you as a slave instead to leave them alone. Damn. She called me a slave, huh? That doesn't even threaten me. Now does it, Evan, huh? And I said, nope, I'm not just slave. I'm freaking 16 years old. You could go F off. Kofi told you so many times to leave her, but you disappointed her. Now Evan's starting to block you. I will not deal with your atrocious behavior. Jiggy X and I are not adding you, and I will not be adding you on Talents TV and Rico. Then she said, I was sorry as slaves will go hypnotizes you. And I said, nope, F off. And then I said, nope, don't you ask me ever again. Cause Kofi and I are young anyway. And then she asked, what can I do? And I said, leave. And then she said, no. They said leave now. And they said, you are banned from YouTube. And I said, yes, you are, bitch. And she said, no, I'm not, bitch. And then she said, and then I said, yes, you are. Now leave Kofi alone. Will not tell her to unblock it. And then she said, no, I am not. I decline to leave Kofi alone. I want you to tell her to unblock me. Alright? You are way too far, man. I am not block. And I said, I'm blocking you. Ha! You can't even deal with people blocking you for one damn time. Anyways, let's get back to the stats posts. Then we have... And... we have somebody... And we have her begging to ask someone to block Cerberus the Temple. Which is definitely not going to happen, I suppose. Cerberus is not going to block you, man, okay? You need to realize that you need to leave her the frick alone. Now, and let's look at this. Okay. And these are just some other stats process. Now, I'm going to be logging into my Deviantart account to look at Kat and Kofi's journal. Sorry about that. Just give me a second. Alright, here I am at Kofi's journal, and before I get into the comments, we're gonna start, alright? Now Kofi has written a journal about Emmett, and then here are the screenshots, and then And Kofi said, "Hi there, man. I'm Kofi, one of Sophie's friends. I'm gonna cut out the chase. Please leave Sophie." Oh, she came to me and told me they've been sending people about telling her Blackie. Unfortunately, that's not going to happen. I found the comments on the profile in a U exchange. The fact that was a huge misunderstanding. When she asked you what is the alt trait, originally she was asking you what you wanted to draw, not what an alt trait actually is. After she called off the trait in Ultimate Cancel, you said to her, "You're doing this. Yes, you will do alt traits next time." And instead of trades, you do requests. That itself is demanding. It is not. That's not cool. Even the exchange of comments you had told, you still insisted that she could do alt review, but you still tried to explain what alt is. But she very clearly knew what alt traits were. Even when she told you when she was blocking us, and then you said, I say, Steven, you again. Not cool. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. It's not okay to act the way you did, and it's just a. I have to agree with Kofi, man. You need to like leave her alone. Yeah, and here's some more screenshots. I mean, Kofi, and now we're gonna be going, and now I am gonna be jumping into Cat's journal right now. I'm gonna be jumping into Cat's journal right now. So, hold on, guys. I'm gonna be jumping into Cat's journal. Just give me a second. Here we go, here we go, here we go. And Kat and I were having a conversation about, and this is a screenshot of me and Kat's conversation. And then she asked me to send a screenshot of them commenting on Kofi's videos, and I still have those screenshots. So now, and these are the screenshot. It's the same thing I had. And then here's a screenshot of Jackster, and then we have. And then she said this. I was telling Deviantart, Kate asked me to the list, and Jackster EX12 said, "Hey Emma, no one's going to argue this weekend because you keep begging someone else to do requests for you as you dragged even one of your friends into your stupid drama. Even though you no longer support your party, I mean, that doesn't excuse your toxic behavior." Then she said, "Hey, JixTX12, can you unblock me on Deviantart, please? Would you like to add talented to be ad page? I could be talented." That is not going to happen. You're still toxic as hell. Here are the screenshots that she commented on YouTube, and we have some user that has gone through with the MM situation, and yeah, and these are just the comments. That's enough of this video, guys. See you in the next one.